Yesterday I told you about my Dr. Lou's kitchen videos. Today I'm going to talk to you about why the food that you eat is so critically important to the health of the rest of your body, your spine, and your nervous system. You see, food is a stressor if it's not done properly. It is a physical stressor if you eat too much. It's a chemical stressor if you eat the wrong things. And it's an emotional stressor if you eat for the wrong reasons. Food has the ability to help us or to hurt us. In the right dose, in the right type, with the right motivation, it is what we need to survive. If you're eating for the wrong reasons and it stresses you out, if you're eating in the wrong ways so that you are not as healthy as you'd like to be and it stresses you out, if you are eating, again, the wrong quantities and pushing your body to the limits of what it's able to hold, you're going to create stress on a number of different levels that could lead to your body breaking down. Stress always causes breakdown. Sometimes it's slow and sometimes it's fast. So keep that in mind when you say, oh, well, it's just this one slab of bacon that I'm eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That one day of eating that food is one more nail in the proverbial coffin. Doesn't mean you shouldn't eat it, just means that you should do it in moderation. And then balance it with the right types of exercise that keep you healthy. And process the food better. Food is a physical, mental, and chemical stressor if you use it improperly. This stress affects the nervous system. When your nervous system is under stress, it does not heal and regulate and communicate to your body properly, which leads to further breakdown. You owe it to yourself and to your family to eat like a champion, healthy, the right quantity, and not for the wrong mental and emotional reasons. This is Dr. Lou Jacobs, chiropractor, Portland, Maine, board certified by the Academy of Chiropractic Family Practice. I wish you a great week, a great day, and a great week, and a great weekend when it gets here. See you later.